All right, welcome back to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we look at a brand new model from Mazda, the 2023 Mazda CX-50. Let's take a look at that right now.
Welcome to Cruise Control. My name is Eric, and we're going to start looking at some new cars and used cars to find out what's the best option for you. Let's see what's up next.
All right, so Mazda has said that all future SUVs are going to come with all-wheel drive standard, and now I can see why. Mazda's been doing this like premium kick for a while. And although I do agree that they look more premium than the standard brands, I would not say any of their models have looked rugged. Not the CX-30, not the CX-3, the CX-5, the CX-9. None of them look rugged to me. That changed today. Until now, Mazda was very luxury, but not what you would call tough looking. Now they've blended in a very, very cool way elegance and rugged. I especially like this sand color that they have and the blacked out grille with this dark gray and then the matte that's going on top. I don't know if I need the roof rack. I understand why they put that on there, but I like the wheels that go with it. I like the cladding. I really like this model. This is a good looking model. And if we look at a little bit of everything put together, this thing makes the CX-5, I mean, hey look man, if you want to buy the CX-5, that's cool. But I would no longer. I'm a CX-50 guy. Look, it's going to come with the same powertrain. So 2.5 liter naturally aspirated. The CX-5 starts around 27 and change, so expect this to cost at least $1,000, maybe $1,500 more. That CX-5 that I told you was 7 and changes with all-wheel drive. So this one comes with all-wheel drive automatically, but some of the enhancements, the new look, the rugged nature, I would say at least $28,000, maybe $29,000 starting. And then with that 2.5 turbo, expect that to creep into the mid-30s. So a well-equipped model for me would probably be about $33,000. But you know what? With the way this looks, I imagine my wife would really like having this. We love the Mazda red, although I am digging the sand color. I like how you can actually see in the instrument cluster, there's actually an off-road mode. So that's pretty cool. I don't know if that entails. The interior looks fantastic. Mazda's been killing it with interior. I love the panoramic sunroof. I don't believe any Mazda's had that here yet in the States. So I believe this will be the first one to get it. And if this is the new direction that the SUVs are going to take with Mazda, I understand why all new models are coming with all-wheel drive. Now the CX-70 is going to come out next. That's that inline six that's going to compete with BMW and like higher end vehicles. And then the CX-90 is going to be a 3-row crossover. So it's like the off-road version, I guess, of the CX-9. And so those are going to have rear-wheel drive based all-wheel drive systems with an inline six, either naturally aspirated or turbocharged or twin turbo. I'm not sure. I'm not sure if it's a single or a twin. However, I am very excited. Also on the CX-50, there is going to be a hybrid model that they're going to announce later. Again, no pricing, no fuel economy, no ground clearance. I don't have anything like that as far as those features are concerned. Right now, we're getting a once-over as far as the look and the nameplate. And wow, I am impressed. Are you guys? This would be on my short list on a compact. I'm not sure any other compact SUV hits every mark that this does. You want luxury? Got it. You want to look elegant? Sure. Off-roading? Why not? Turbocharged? Got power? Sure, it has that too. So really the only missing features that I see on here is that old 6-speed automatic. If this was a modern 8-speed or a DCT, this would be 100% commit and buy. This is fantastic. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Have a good one.